Pancreatitis. Introduction.
Point to the pancreas.
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. The pancreas is an important gland that has one function, to regulate blood sugar.
Select true or false.
Correct. The pancreas is a gland that not only secretes insulin to help control blood sugar, but also secretes digestive enzymes. Which type of pancreatitis is sudden and usually does not last long?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Acute pancreatitis. 2. Chronic pancreatitis. Correct. Acute pancreatitis usually occurs suddenly and does not last as long as chronic pancreatitis. Which of the following is the most common symptom of acute pancreatitis?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Increased pulse rate. 2. Low blood pressure. 3. Pain in the upper abdomen. Correct. For most patients, acute pancreatitis starts with pain in the upper abdomen. Chronic pancreatitis is the form of pancreatitis that lasts for a long period of time or permanently.
Select true or false.
Correct. The symptoms of chronic pancreatitis are similar to those of acute pancreatitis.
Select true or false.
Correct. Chronic pancreatitis is also associated with weight loss and diabetes. Which of the following healthy habits can help chronic pancreatitis patients to treat and prevent that condition?
Choose one of the following options.
1. No alcoholic beverages. 2. Take medications as prescribed. 3. All of the above. Correct. All of these measures are essential in reducing attacks of pancreatitis.
Thank you for using Explain.